Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are very excited and feeling good coming to class 2. Yes, now you all are big students and now you are in class 2. So welcome. This is your EVS class and I will take EVS subject this year. And let me introduce myself. I am Miss Christine Fernandez and I'll take your EVS. Okay, so everybody might be knowing what is EVS? Yes, it is Environmental Studies, in which we are going to study about all the things that are around us. Yes, last year Soumya ma'am used to take it. Now this year I'll be taking it. Okay, so for that, everybody might be knowing how to open. Where to find EVS? Yes, if you don't know, you can have a look. We'll start with our semester 1. This is class 2 book. Everybody might have buy new books and copies. Yes. Now let's start. We are doing semester 1. Okay. Now after first term exam, we'll start with the new book. One more book you will be having. There it will be written semester 2. That we'll do afterwards. That you keep it aside. अलग रख देना है, अभी उसमें से नहीं पढ़ेंगे. अभी we'll start with this book. Okay. And how to open EVS? First it is English, then Maths, and then after that EVS given. Okay. So EVS is from page number 146. Which is the page number? 146. Okay. So let's start today. Let's see what we are going to study today. We'll just do a quick start and a short study of what is our first lesson is. Okay. So our first lesson is our food. That is lesson number 1. It is given on page number 146. You have to open our food and page number is 146. Okay, students? So let's start. So first is very good exercise given for you. So just take a pencil in your hand and let's start. Okay? Just take a pencil in your hand and let's start. What it is written? Look at these images. We are warming up. What we have studied, let's warm up. Okay? Look at the images. Tick the things you are fond of eating. Fond means that you like eating. अच्छा लगता है आपको. You have to tick in the box given below. इसके नीचे box दिया है. You have to tick on that box. Like, I like eating mango. Okay, so I'll put a tick mark on this. On the box given below, I'll put a tick mark. Okay, you also do it. Everybody likes eating medicine? No, nobody likes. If you don't like, put a cross. Okay, if you like eating watermelon, put a tick. If you like drinking milk, put a tick. If you like eating chicken, put a tick mark. And if you are a vegetarian, you will put a cross mark. Okay. So I think so everybody might have done this. And the choice will be different for all. Okay. Different choices for different people. You cannot say my choice will be same as yours. Okay. So let's start with the lesson. Let's see what it is. So let's start. The name of the lesson is our food. Now what is food? Food is the things that we eat. Now you eat different kinds of food. Here also you can see there are so many different dishes and different kinds of foods are there. In that, fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk, everything will come. Okay, junk food, all the food items will come in our food topic. So let's see what are they. Okay. Now our food we are starting. So first tell me one thing. What does food gives you? क्यों खाते हैं? Why do you eat food? Yes, very good. Some children have given the answer. You eat food because it gives you energy. Good. You all know that food gives you energy. To do what? It gives you energy for doing work, play, okay, for study, yes. And what else? Let's see, okay. Yes. Why do we need food? Now It helps you to grow. अगर खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो बड़े ही नहीं होंगे. Okay, so it helps you to grow. First point is it helps us to grow. Second point, it gives us energy. Energy क्या करने के लिए देता है food? To do all your work. You play, run, ride, anything. If I am talking also, I am having energy. Why? Because I have had my food. I have the breakfast in the morning. So I am having the energy. Okay. It helps us to fight diseases. Yes. Some food items are there that help us to fight diseases. So that's why it is said we have to eat healthy food. Now I'll tell you which food item help us to fight diseases. Okay. We'll find out in the lesson. And it keeps us strong. Yes. Food makes us strong and healthy. So it's very important we take food daily. So let's start. In your book, first line, keep your fingers. We need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work, play, study and think. Food helps us to fight diseases. Food also helps us to become strong and healthy. So these are the 4 points that why do we need food. Okay, now come to the next page. Yes, on page number 147 it's written, in a day we normally eat 3 main meals. Now one term came meals. I think so this you might have studied, might be knowing, might not be knowing. Meals. What is the word? M-E-A-L-S. Now what is this meals we are going to learn today? Meals is any food that we are taking at a particular time. Okay, like in the morning, which food you are taking? You are taking your breakfast. In the morning, what we eat, it's known as breakfast. In the afternoon, noon time, what we have, it's called lunch. And at night time, during night, what we have is called dinner. Okay. Now some children will be saying, ma'am, हम तो बीच-बीच में भी कुछ खाते हैं. Yes. In the middle, if we feel hungry, like when you come back after playing, mama gives you some snacks. That is called snacks. Okay. Anytime you eat something, biscuits or some chips or toast, any food item that you eat in the middle, like in the evening time or in between these two times, in the morning and in the noon time, between the morning and noon time, if we are feeling hungry, okay, you have something, so that is called snack. Snack is anything that you take if you are feeling a little bit hungry. Okay, but main we are having only 3 meals, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, now let's read page number 147. In a day we normally eat 3 main meals. We have breakfast in the morning, we have lunch in the afternoon, we have dinner at night. We eat different kinds of food every day. Each food item is very useful for our body. Now we eat different food items for different meals. Okay, now let's see what are these different food items. Okay, there are 3 kinds of food items. What we are going to study is, first is energy giving, second is bodybuilding, third is protective food. So with the name itself you can understand. Energy giving means those food which give us energy to do any work. Okay, जो भी food item आपको energy देगा काम करने की, that are called energy giving food. Next is body building. With the name you can understand, जो आपका body build करने के लिए help करता है. The food items that helps you to build your body. Body बनती है इनसे, ये food items. So these are called as body building food. You can remember with that. Okay. Now next is protective food. What are protective food? That will protect us from various diseases. Those are known as protective food. Very easy to remember. Okay. Energy giving food कौन से होंगे? जो अपन को energy देंगे. Body building, that will help us to make our bones and muscles strong. And what it will do? body बनाएगा. Okay. And next is protective food. So what will protective food do? It will help us to fight against various diseases. It will protect our body. Okay. So let's see what all food items comes in this. First is energy giving food. Okay. Now energy giving food, some food items I have put over here. There are many more. Okay. Energy giving में क्या आता है? Rice आता है, potato आता है, sweets आता है, sugar आता है. That give you instant energy to do any work. Let's read. Energy giving foods. Rice, wheat, sugar, jaggery. Jaggery is what? Good. Okay, jaggery. Ghee and butter gives us energy. These food items are called energy giving food. So you have to learn the examples. Examples means ये इसमें दिया है ना, energy giving food कौन से होते हैं? Rice, wheat, sugar, jaggery, ghee, butter. You should know it. Okay? These give us energy to do any work, and these are known as energy giving food. Next is body building food. Now let's read and then we'll see the picture. Body building food. Milk, fish, meat, pulses, cheese and paneer make our bones and muscles strong. These food items are called body building foods. Milk is very good for our health. We should drink milk, at least 1 glass of milk every day. Now, how many of you have put a cross in the warm-up that you don't like milk? So, see how important milk is for our body. We should drink a glass of milk every day. Now, those children who are not drinking, start drinking from today. Okay? So, what is bodybuilding? Bodybuilding food items are that makes our bones and muscles strong. Okay? So let's see what are bodybuilding foods. Eggs, nuts, cheese, milk, paneer, meat. Okay, these are all the bodybuilding foods. Okay, so we should eat bodybuilding food also. Now there is one yellow box small given over here. Okay, let's read. It's amazing. Chocolates have sugar in them. They give us energy too. Okay, chocolates में sugar होता है and they gives you energy. We have अभी पढ़ा अपन ने energy giving food में sugar है. तो chocolate में sugar है तो sugar will give us energy. But eating too many chocolates it's bad for our health. Then why if we eat too many chocolates it's bad? Because our teeth will, what will happen to our teeth? Yes. Our teeth will all be black in color, and it will all break and you'll have many problems. Okay. So, eating too many chocolates, it's very bad. Why? Because, why it is bad? Because it is having sugar in it. And if you eat too much of sugar, you will have so many problems in your teeth. Okay. So next is protective food. Now third type of food is protective food. Let's see what it is. Protective food, yes. In the picture you can see there are so many vegetables and there are fruits also. Okay. There are fruits also and vegetables also. So protective foods में क्या आएंगे? Fruits and vegetables. All the fruits and all the vegetables. Okay. So you can say, if I say name any two protective food, so you can give example of, you can say mango, grapes, banana. Either you can take a name of a fruit or you can take a name of a vegetable also. Spinach, ladyfinger, cauliflower, anything, capsicum, no problem. Okay, these all are protective food. It protects our body from, it helps our body to fight various diseases. Okay, so let's read. Fruits and vegetables help us to protect our body from diseases and help us to remain healthy. So they are called protective food. So these are known as protective food. So let's recall. I think so all might have understood what I have told you today. So let's recall. फटाफट recall करेंगे क्या पढ़ा है आज अपन ने. Okay. Why do we need food? क्यों चाहिए food? It gives us energy. It helps us to grow and it helps us to fight diseases. It helps us to stay healthy. Next, what are the three main meals? Three main meals are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Very good, you remember. What are the different kinds of food? Three different kinds of food we have studied. Energy giving, the food that give us energy. Okay. Next is bodybuilding, that helps to build our body. Okay, it builds our bones and muscles. And protective food, it helps us to fight diseases. Okay, so you should learn the example of all these three. Okay, so next part we'll do it in our next class. So okay children, today's work is you have to read till here. Okay, read 2 times and I'll see you in our next class. Have a good day.